They smiled and synced, plugged in with grace, erased their doubts, replaced their face. They swallowed truth in sterile code and marched along the preset road. Everyone adapted, everyone moved on. I'm the last distraction, still glitching in the dawn. They found their peace in silence, I kept my dissonance. Now I drink alone with echoes and call it relevance. I watch them drift like silent files, deleted hearts, synthetic smiles. They called it growth, they called it light, but I still